This is the other side of the path to the waterfall. You can see the path down there. Tree fern here. More of that variegated costus. It really stands out. It can grow in the sun or the shade. This one seems very happy. It's blooming. You can see these strange flowers. Has like a little cone, and here's one that's older. It's had a lot of flowers come out already. And then of course there's the red anthuriums. Anthuriums are everywhere. They're just typical Hawaiian plant. And we have lantana back there. I was a little afraid lantana might be invasive, but I haven't seen any sign of seedlings. Hey duckies. Hi duckies. The duckies are taking a stroll. And we have a really steep bank here. So we just planted it with plectranthus. And these were just cuttings, and it filled in very nicely, so it makes a great ground cover on a steep slope. Quite a bit of it. It blooms, but it's not something that you grow it for. You see, these are just about finished here. Great home to a little anole. Where are you, anole? And then we're back to the Begonia Hill part. Here's the stream down here. It's we've had very little rainfall lately. So, not much water in there.